Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page in Canva to another project. This can be incredibly useful if you want to streamline your design process or maintain consistency across multiple projects. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, this straightforward process will make your design tasks much more efficient. First, open the file from which you want to copy a page. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for the entire copying process. Make sure you're logged into Canva and navigating within your existing projects. Once you have the file open, take a moment to review the pages and ensure you're in the correct project. Next, let's switch to grid view by clicking on the grid icon in the Canva interface. This gives you a clear overview of all the pages in your project. Grid view is especially handy for larger projects, making it easier to select exactly the pages you need. Now it's time to select the pages you want to copy. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on each page you want to transfer. This allows you to select multiple pages at once, saving time and improving efficiency, especially when working with bigger designs. Once your pages are selected, copy them by pressing Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on a Mac. This works just like copying text or images in any other application and quickly saves your selected pages to your clipboard. Next, open the Canva project where you want to paste these pages. You can select a new project or an existing design. This seamless transition ensures your workflow isn't interrupted. Finally, paste the copied pages by pressing Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on a Mac. Your pages will now appear in the new project exactly as they were in the original, ready for any adjustments or additional design work. By following these steps, you've efficiently moved pages between Canva projects. This not only saves valuable time, but also helps maintain consistency across your designs. Mastering these simple but powerful tools in Canva can really elevate the quality and efficiency of your creative tasks. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video. Happy transferring.